Hello my beloved viewers, welcome back to my channel on a new video on conditional formatting series that is currently running into my channel. Friends, in my previous videos we have learned how to use the conditional formatting properly, and today we are going to learn how to use the criteria as date in conditional formatting, that we are going to highlight our cells whenever date will be in the past date from today or something else. To highlight dates that are in the past, you can use a conditional formatting and a basic formula to check whether each date is less than today. In this example, at first select your data or cell, then go to the home tab. There in the styles block you will find the conditional formatting tab here. Click on that, then go to the new rules directly, because we are creating new rules that are not including in Microsoft Excel previously. Then click on this one. Use a formula to determine which cells to format, and after that you have to type your formula here. Make sure to type the formula properly, otherwise you will get errors. Then after that, look at here, in this cell we have the cell number as C5, so here we have to type the formula like this: equals to, then in uppercase C, then 5, then put the lesser than symbol here. After that you have to type a formula in capital letter TODAY. That means whenever it find the value of C5 less than today, that means in the past, it will be highlighted. Then open the bracket and close the bracket. Then you have to select your format here, that which colors it should show when it should be highlighted. Go to the fill tab. There you can choose any of the colors. You can use the patterns also. In my case I am not using any patterns. Then click on OK. Then look at here, it is highlighted because today is 15th. If you type equals to today, that means it will show you the today's date. Look at here, it is 15/7/2019 today, and it is in the past date, so it is highlighted. And if you format the cell and then copy the formula from upside down, it will show you the result accordingly. And when you go to any future date, like I am typing 17/7/19, it will be not highlighted. So let's check how this formula actually works. When a date in column C is less than the date today, that is past due, the formula returns true and triggers the rules. Note carefully, conditional formatting formulas should be entered relative to the active cells in the selection, which is assumed to be C5 in this case. When conditional formatting is applied with a formula, the formula is evaluated relative to the active cell in the selection at the time the rule is created. In this case, the active cell when the rule is created is assumed to be C5 with the range of C5 to C12 selected. And if you want to test if dates are overdue by at least any type of dates, you have to type the formula like this. At first you have to clear the whole conditional formatting rules. You have to go to the conditional formatting, then clear rules, and then click on clear rules from entire sheet. It will be cleared. After that you have to select the whole database, and again you have to go to the home tab, conditional formatting, then click on new rule, then go to the last one. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. After that you can type the formula like this: equals to, then open the bracket, then type the formula as today, then open the bracket, close the bracket, then put an hyphen here. It will be worked as subtraction symbol here. Then put your first cell number. In my case this is C5. Then put a greater than symbol and one equals to symbol. Then put any number like you want to triggered. Like I am typing number 2 here, that means whenever it will be greater than number 2 or less than number 2, it will be triggered. Then close the bracket, then select your format. In any format I am selecting color green, then click on OK. Look at here, it is showed because I have selected 2 days earlier from the date, that is today. This formula will trigger conditional formatting only when a date in column C is at least that days earlier than today, that is we have provided. So that's all for today friends. I'll come back soon with another video. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel and stay tuned.